see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be getting into the second TNF collab for spring summer 2020. This one's looking like a banger collab. It's called the Cargo series. We actually got another pretty dope one on our hands. There's gonna be a T in here which is gonna be donating the money to COVID-19 relief, which is pretty cool. We got the Cargo TNF, which is looking crazy. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. I'm so excited to say that on this video we are gonna be starting the giveaway for you guys. This is a giveaway that I'm gonna be teaming up with my girl to do. We're gonna be giving away 5 different items, and honestly this shit is looking like a banger. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. We're gonna be giving away a Black Motion logo beanie, Supreme Oreos with 5 stickers, so this would be for one winner as well. This blue shoulder bag, which is the utility pouch. We're gonna give away the Mercenaries tee, size XL, Morph tee in black as well, size large. So there is gonna be 5 different winners. There's gonna be the Motion logo beanie, 2 tees, a shoulder bag, a pack of Oreo, and 5 stickers. So it's 5 different winners. If you are interested in joining this giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, subscribe to her channel, but it is gonna be in the Gleam link, which is gonna be in the description. Anything you guys have to do to enter is gonna be in there. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So honestly, so far we don't have the full drop list, but we do have around 8 items that are gonna be coming out this week. We have the full TNF collab, and then we have 1 extra item which is gonna be dropping. All the way at the bottom we got this Sun Shield camp cap. Honestly, this shit is looking kind of dookie, not because of the design, but just the little flap that the hat has is kind of weird. I wonder if you could take that flap off, honestly, and you actually can, which does make the hat a little bit better. I'm not gonna lie, without the flap it definitely looks like a cool hat, but that flap just gotta go. Who's wearing this hat on a Tuesday, bro? Like summertime, no, I still don't need the neck gaiter to cover my neck. It's just not for me. Definitely with the flap is a dub, but without it, it looks kind of cool, especially like in that camo colorway. But one thing that I am gonna say is that the brim on this shit looks extendo, bro. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up of the brim. The brim looks like it's the whole hat. Like no, it's looking like too much. This one definitely isn't gonna resell, at least in my opinion, but I'm so glad that you could at least take that extendo shit off, because that's a dub. But we do got this adventure tote, which I feel like is pretty fire. This is actually pretty cool. I actually looked it up before I saw the official images of the collab, and for previous ones they would do this thing where they would like have the little tote handles and also have like a strap going around it, which low-key makes it like a messenger bag. That would have been pretty cool to see, but I feel like they didn't do it for this one, which is kind of a bummer, because if it did have those straps I probably would have ended up going for it, but it doesn't. So we're gonna be eye on this piece right here. One thing I must say is that pinkish colorway is definitely fire. They should have did the same thing for the black one, like with gray tones. That would have been so hard, but they just kept it a little bit too simple in my opinion. Next up we got the floating keychain. I don't know what this is supposed to be. If this is anywhere more than $12, they could lick a tip. Like this is a little bit too much. I feel like, what are you really gonna do with this? I don't know. I feel like I wouldn't even put this on my keys, to be honest. But we have some banger ass pieces from this point on. We got this cargo vest, which is probably one of my favorite pieces. Low key, if I didn't get the jacket I might be happier getting the vest. I just love the way this looks. That pinkish colorway is fire, but I just feel like it's too pink for me, but it is cool. I'm not gonna lie. I love the fact that it has the Supreme spell out on the back. That's definitely my favorite part, and also has a million pockets. But my favorite color hands down has to be that tan, like khaki colorway. That shit is gorgeous. Honestly, that would be the color that I go for in this vest. It all depends on the price that they put it at. I feel like if this is anywhere over $238, $248, they're tripping. That's honestly a little bit too expensive in my opinion. But next up we got these belted cargo pants. These are actually fire. At first I didn't even realize that you can take the long sleeve part of the pants off to make them shorts. That is so cool to me, because you low-key have convertible pants. That's so fire. I feel like if it's cold you just keep the zip on there, and it actually has extra branding on the extendo part. Low-key, this is the Supreme North Face extendo collab, because they're having a lot of shit that got extra shit just like the hat. But that tan colorway is definitely a vibe. I also am a fan of the black colorway. My favorite part about it is that you could turn them into shorts or you could keep them long. That's fire to me. You got that double branding branding on it, which is also clean. Huge fan of those pants. I hope the price isn't too high. If it's anywhere under 200, I would love to have those pants in my collection. But now we're gonna get into the 3 most hyped pieces. But before we do, I do want to say that this video is sponsored by Addict.io. When it comes to these big drops like TNF, box logos, and things like that, Addict.io is probably the better way to go for iOS. This is actually the best iOS bot on the market. I would definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and check them out. They actually recently restocked right on time for the TNF collab. Addict.io covers 85 plus different stores from Kith Undefeated, Supreme, Bape, and a bunch more. Palace. They just cover a whole lot of stuff. They're actually really good when cooking up on restocks. There's been so many people who take my advice and buy Addict.io and they actually end up copying. One thing that I want to let you guys know is that obviously when you use a bot, it's not 100% guarantee that you will cop these items. It just definitely boosts your chance of going ahead and succeeding on some of these items. You can't just expect to have 100% success, but there is a lot of people who have DM'd me and I bought this bot because of you, and I actually ended up getting, like the chairs for example, last week somebody who copped it from the channel ended up cooking up on some chairs. He did actually DM pretty much saying that he cooked up on it. The bot actually got stuck on processing, but he got a confirmation from Supreme. So it's actually pretty cool that you guys are cooking up because of this bot. Addict.io actually has success almost on every week this season. There's a bunch of people who actually been successful. I would definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and check them out. They just restocked on the bot, so it's definitely gonna go fast and you might go ahead and want to use it for this TNF drop. Addict.io is a one-time payment, so you go ahead and pay that $130, and with my discount code you'll pay like $117. You only pay it one time and you keep the bot forever. If you don't have enough to pay it all in one, you can divide the payments into 4 different payments. It's definitely something that I would recommend to you guys. Addict is actually super easy to set up. All you have to do is set it up a couple minutes before the drop and run it at least like a minute or 2 before the drop even starts. It takes literally 60 seconds. They have the keywords already on their app, so it's pretty much self-explanatory. If you guys also do have any questions, you can go ahead and hit them up on Instagram. But let's go ahead and get back to our regular scheduled program. So like I was saying, we have 3 more items coming out for this week. We don't have the full drop list as of yet, but we do have this cargo parka right here. This is so fire to me. It has a whole bunch of pockets, which is my favorite shit on a jacket. I definitely love this tan colorway, and if I'm being honest, even the pink one is pretty fire. I just can't see myself wearing it too much. It's just too bright, too vibrant for my personal taste. But that tan one, I feel like that one's gonna be the one to have the best resell besides the pink one, because that one's just a little bit more loud, and pink already does good for Supreme, so that one might be doing the best. Honestly, the black one is kind of dull and plain. I feel like they always do black, so I honestly wouldn't go for that one this drop in my personal opinion. But obviously if you're just trying to cop a jacket, go for whatever you want, bro. I'm definitely trying to cook up on that tan colorway. I feel like that's the one that stands out the most. Huge fan, and probably my favorite part on this jacket is the fact that the back actually has a Supreme spell out right dead and center on it on this cargo pocket. This is so fire, bro. This is probably one of my favorite TNFs in that tan colorway, simply because I feel like when they do TNF, it's either too much or too little branding, and this is actually the perfect amount. It's not like a big ass spell out on the front. It's nothing like that. It's actually pretty subtle on the front, just got like hella pockets and shit, and then on the back you got that Supreme spell out. You definitely can't go wrong with this jacket. I feel like retail will be around $468, which is pretty steep, but compared to the last TNF that came out, that's a marvelous price. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like 460, 428, something around there is my ballpark for this jacket. Low-key, I'm trying to sell that yellow one that I have. I don't really need that one. But next up, we do have this mini Insta film Instax, which is for like a Polaroid camera. This is fire, bro. I just really hope you can buy more than 1 pack, because it is only 10 films in 1 pack. I hope you could at least buy like a 4-pack. That would be pretty cool. I feel like these are gonna be $15 to $18 retail, which isn't too bad, but that's kind of steep. For 10 pieces of paper, like photo paper, $18 is kind of steep, especially if you're getting one and paying shipping for it, bro. That's like $30 for one thing of pictures. Like, nah, that's a little bit much, but it's still cool nonetheless. Definitely something that I want to have in the collection. I'll probably go ahead and buy as many as I can, because I feel like I would definitely want to use some of these. Like, let's say for example, I go to fucking Paris one day or something. I would want to have like a little Polaroid camera and take some pictures with this. That would definitely look really cool. That's something that I am interested in. I do feel like these will definitely have resale. I could probably see these going for like $30 for a pack of 10, maybe like 35 at most. Nothing too steep, but definitely some profit to be made on these. Last up, we got this One World tee. This is a relief tee, and they are going to be donating the proceeds of this tee for COVID-19 scheme, which once again is amazing in my opinion. Just like the Box logo tee where they donated like over $1 million, I feel like they will be able to do the same with this tee right here, and it's actually pretty sick. That makes it one of the best pieces in the week. The fact that if you buy this tee right here, it will do good for people who actually need it. Besides like the fact that it is a relief tee, I'm a fan of the design. You got the little world on the front, Supreme TNF branding, and the little saying right under it. I feel like it's fire. It's simple. They didn't do too much. It's just perfect in my opinion. And my favorite thing is the fact that it is in the black colorway. Y'all know how I feel about these white tees. I typically never, I don't think I've ever bought a white Supreme tee like at all. So I'm definitely happy that they're dropping this tee in the black colorway, because that opens up the realm for me to be able to buy it for my personal collection. Because if it was only in white, honestly bro, I wouldn't end up keeping it. It's just something that I feel like if I wear it one time, I gotta be like scared to wear this shit, like yo, get away from me, social distancing type shit. This is a fire ass shirt, and I honestly really do want to buy this one. But that pretty much does it for the collaboration. I am gonna talk about the full drop list in tomorrow's video, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, click them post notification bells. If you're new, leave a like on this video if you would like more content like this. Let's see if we could get this one to 200 likes. I also did see that the unboxing got 200 likes, so I will get on that video ASAP. I have a couple videos that I have to drop before that, but I will get into that ASAP. I promise you guys. Get this one to 200, and tomorrow we'll have the full drop list with resale estimations, because hopefully we will have the retails. But before we get out this video, I do want to say that the Gleam link is in the description for you guys to go ahead and enter the giveaway for this Supreme shoulder bag. These Oreos with the 5 stickers, this morph tee in a size large, this tee in a size XL, and this beanie, which is fire. This is definitely my favorite piece. There is going to be 5 different winners to win one of these items. Probably the way that I'm gonna do it is the first winner gets to choose what he wants, second winner chooses what's left, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. Basically, that pretty much does it for this video. Go ahead and follow those instructions to enter the giveaway. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, her channel, and there will be a couple more things you can do, like share the giveaway on Instagram, and you will get more entries, I should say. But that pretty much does it for this one. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.